Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout, no trade recommendations. It's just a trade journal. We're going to talk about price action, market structure, Wednesday, 2/22 FOMC minutes. And because of what happened this week so far, I'm just going to stick with a few high time frame charts because it is FOMC minutes day. So again, price action, order flow, market structure from a weekly perspective chart and also the day time frame. Let's get at it. I posted this on my Twitter. This was the weekly chart Monday, and what concerned me was we had consolidation for the whole of February with lower highs, weekly chart 1, 2, 3, 4, and the dotted line below had been hit multiple times. So my concern was with an average volume weighted price of 1950 above and below 1900. And notice this is the start of February, this candle here, and note this low. So my concern was, where is price likely to go based on this pattern here of consolidation with lower highs, knocking on the door with these two bottom lower highs. And note this green algo. I disregard this on the high time frames because usually these takes weeks to set up, but that is a trend buy signal here. But price action is going to tell a different story here on Wednesday. So let's go to the next chart. Left side weekly Wednesday Globex right before the RTH open. Right side 24-hour chart. So here we are with this red arrow. This weekly candle has basically demolished bulls and trapped them above because it's taken out everybody that bought on the February high on this line and above. And look where the low of this candle wick went, almost to the same relative low. This is what the two arrows are denoting here. So we've already visited, again, maybe just for a vacation, we're not staying long, but price visited almost down to this very beginning low here of February. You can note here, this is the 24 on the right with this double top here, February 2nd, 3rd, how long in trading days it took to finally break this mid Bollinger Band. Look at this middle Bollinger Band tag, 1, 2, 3, 8 times before it broke. And here we are sitting on this little green candle. And what's significant about this candle is the overnight pivot, and it's nesting right at the 2023 anchored VWAP. So my theory, again, not a prediction, is there's going to be interest in the market defending this level. So that comes in at 97. The low of this candle, however, was around 87, which matched the earlier month low of this candle wick. But remember, this is a candle wick. We didn't spend a lot of time here on that first week of February. A lot of news to come out in the next 3 days, and FOMC minutes later today. So for me, it's no initiating new trades at all for today. I want to watch and see how far we go on this candle to the 1911. What is 1911? That is the anchored VWAP for this week so far. That's the average weighted price anchored to this week's price action only. So it's not a moving average. You can see the body of the candles at 48.3. My question is, how viable is it to get back to 1911.9? And can the market have what it takes to break this candle wick low of the earlier month and stay below it? I can't predict because who knows, a black swan event could happen and it could go a lot lower. But here's the way it looks. This is the structure, so I'm going to just take it slow today. And again, Bulls have lost their strategic and tactical position below this middle Bollinger Band. Where does that sit? Almost 1941. This is a key area. So again, the 40 level comes in on the weekly right around here. Note the tilt, the angle of the middle Bollinger Band also is fairly flat. So it's a lot to ask. Lower Bollinger Band, 1876. So again, totally doable to have a visit down there. And again, these are the levels. I'm just going to watch this anchored VWAP. That is the key for the year. And on the 24-hour chart, it's 1897. On the weekly chart, it's 1900.7. So those are the key areas for bulls to defend. It's a must defend because, again, it's all of the average price action that's happened for 2023, those two prices. So that's all I've got. Risk management, be on guard with FOMC minutes. Take care and trade with risk management. Aloha. Bye.